What's going on, guys? Brandon back here with Everyday Minimalist, and we are heading over to Blade Ops right now, and we'll see what type of knife we can get our hands on. If you guys are interested in seeing any specific knives, go over to bladeops.com and take a look at their selection. I can pretty much grab any of those knives available, and then we'll throw up like an overview and show you guys what we've got next. See you guys back at the office. Hope you guys like that B-roll. Check it out, guys. Infidel, yep, we got it with the DLC coding. This will be live probably this weekend sometime, and then this is the one we're looking at today. The Tengu tool. Guys, the 602. This one is brand new. I'm so hyped about it. We will get going on this one, and I'll let you know what my first impressions are. First off, let's get back to the office and then show you what's up. Don't worry, I didn't forget. We got our Coke. Here you guys go. The Tengu tool, or the 602 Tengu tool to be exact. This thing I'm super hyped about. Basically, this is a smaller version of the 601 flipper, and I already own the 601 flipper, so I wanted to grab something that's going to be very similar to that, play the little brother to the 601. So, guys, this was brought to you guys by bladeops.com. Go visit bladeops.com. Let them know that Brandon or Everyday Minimalist had sent you. They will definitely hook you up. We will leave a link in the description below for this exact knife so you guys can get your hands on it. This one is first production, so get them while they last, guys. But let's hop right into it and show you guys what is up. This is the blue class box that it comes with, just like the 601. Inside the box, you will get this leather sheath with the tool inside, and then an additional manual that comes with every Benchmade knife. So this will kind of tell you all the differences between their classes and then also their warranty information. So here you guys go, the 602 Tengu tool. This is a really nice leather sheath, very similar to the 601's sheath, in fact, and they used a really nice leather with it. Shows age and wear, and that's what I love about leather. Same thing, so you'll see that there is a Benchmade logo stamped into the sheath, and then on the other side you'll see that USA made logo stamped in there. So let's go ahead and pull out the knife and show you guys what it is about. It's actually a knife tool combo in that sense, and here you guys go. This thing is absolutely tiny. Like, my index finger is pretty much the same size as this blade slash bottle opener slash pry bar. Benchmade did really well, as well as Jay Ozer. He actually designed this specific tool. It has a bottle cap opener and a pry bar there, all made with 20 CV steel. So this is just one piece of steel that they used for everything. Now, the deployment method on this is really different. So basically all you do is you just spin it over, and that's how you get this tiny blade out. So let's give you guys some specifications real quick. The total blade length, you're looking at 1.14 inches. The opened or deployed length, you're looking at 3.27 inches. So again, very, very small. And then the closed length, I guess it's not really closed, but you're looking at 2.14 inches. And it only weighs about 1.04 ounces, which is ridiculous, guys. That is like, that's on next level. It is tiny. It is perfect for someone that's looking for a really lightweight tool, and it is going to be made of 20 CV steel. It is, again, that Tonto style blade with a flat grind. and they do kind of have like a stonewash finish there. If you guys already own the 601 Tengu flipper, this is going to be very familiar. So on the show side, you're going to see that there is going to be a Benchmade logo there, and it's almost like 30% the size of the actual knife itself, or I guess the blade length. I'm totally fine with that. I love Benchmade and all their products. On the other side, you'll notice that this is a first production model, and this is kind of interesting because my 601 Tengu actually has the serialized numbers on there, and the 602 doesn't have it. So that's kind of weird, but at least they do have the stamp on there. Right above that, you're gonna see the J. Ozer laser engraving logo there, so his maker's mark, and then above that you'll see that there is a 20 CV laser engraving as well. Guys, this thing is sharp as hell. I actually did try this out on a piece of paper. It's great for cutting open boxes and stuff like that. Let me go ahead and show you guys the differences in size between this and the 601. Here is the 601. As you can tell, it's ginormous in comparison. This thing is only like a fraction of the size of the 601. They pair up really well. They come with the same leather sheath. Even with the 601 concealed, yeah, guys, it's still shorter than that. It is still shorter than that. So I really like this knife. Small and minimal. It has multiple functionalities like prying stuff open if you want to open up a bottle. Whatever you need, basically, you've got it inside this small tiny package. There you guys go. That is the Benchmade 602 Tengu tool. Oh my god, I am in love with it. It's so small, so minimalist, and it can fit in the pocket without even being tracked. I mean, it is that tiny, and it will go really well with my 601. As far as ergonomics go, I mean, you don't really have a ton of ergos. I could probably fit 2 fingers on there at most, and you know, that's all you need. You can also use it like that, I guess. Guys, I definitely recommend grabbing one. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, throw me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, throw me a thumbs down, and then we'll do better next time, I promise. If you guys would like to see some photos of this knife and then also the 601 together, go visit my Instagram. It's just going to be every.day.minimalist. We'll leave a link in the description below. And if you guys would like to see more content here on YouTube, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell icon so you know when that next video is live. Thank you guys so much for dropping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.